Here in Delhi, where the weather is changing for the better. Some great architecture to go with a great cricket ground and great facilities. Bangladesh versus Sri Lanka. All is not hope lost because this is the World Cup contest. It's a great stage for both teams to redeem themselves. It's not going to be easy, but try they must. And so here we go. It's a tremendous batting surface. A small offence, and so you can expect a lot of action.
That's what we've seen here.
Yeah, first indication of how true the pitch is. Just going through with the shot with uninhibited bats. Edge and oh, beauty! Brilliant take. The keeper was flying and the ball was going in the direction of the slip fielder, and Mushfiq has plugged a great criticism from Bangladesh's keeper. Kusal Mendis is in, going through a bout of low scores of late. Now how good is that? Neat and clean, tidy and superbly placed. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Every time a straight drive is played, it warms your heart because it's a yeah, just a tap, not trying to overhit the ball, in the range and gone. It is challenging. Probably a little high, probably missing the stumps down the leg side.
He brought that back in.
Short and wide and gone once again. This is poor bowling from Shariful. Mentioned earlier, Taskin had bowled after facing 9 balls. Oh, beauty. He's bowled a lovely channel. He's got the movement to go with it. Yeah, lovely. He's timing them all right. Not tall enough. Mushfiq, very good delivery attempt with the bouncer. I think he got surprised by that edge, no slip, 4. Interesting start from the newcomer making his World Cup debut. Not a bad, his very fine, quick-fire innings. And
fielding. Bangladesh have struggled with that. Fielding, dropped catch. Good fielding. It was hit really hard and it was heading all the way to the boundary. It's up and over. Just for a moment, we thought one of the fielders would be in action. It was a good effort, but that... Typical Mendis. All the way for 6. Not afraid to go the air.
It's a good partnership. Just to finish it on. And on this pitch, I thought he would have been really, really useful. Played a couple of games, had a bad game, and then he was.
He'll get 4. But that's exactly what Bish was talking about. The first 10 overs. Now 64 for 1 with straight down the ground and straight down the throat of the fielder. Shariful Islam takes a really, really good catch. Excellent catch by Shariful Islam. Now impressive as Sadira Samara Wikram have been coming in at 4. Bangladesh have got the key man, and 2 set batters now dismissed in a space of just 2 overs. Nicely played down the ground. There will be some work here, and that's excellent fielding and good.
Shot, oh, beautiful. Charidas Alanka, right out the middle of the bat.
Against India. Lovely shot.
What a beauty. What an absolute beauty.
And Ron Jaitley on the right with the president of the DDCA, the local.
Wow. Just a little drop kick. Didn't even get out to it. Not quite in the gap. Oh, hurry is okay in the end. The throw not quite strong enough. A late decision. Oh,
But you don't want to leave it to them. Squeeze it away for 4. 50 partnership.
Oh, he fired that in. Mehdi Hassan Miraj.
Didn't get away this time, and that's a giveaway. It really is from Sadira. Mamadula pouches it easily.
Somebody's not happy. Angela Matthews doesn't look very pleased and happy with the umpire, or umpire is not happy with them. And Bangladesh just very relaxed out.
Very good from Shariful. Good length, good carry. Shakib. For the second time in this innings, Charith Asalanka has played that exact same.
Already behind in over 8. That's gone. Finger is raised. His leg before the wicket. He's asked for a review.
feel.
That's really nicely played. There's protection on the boundary. He does beautifully played down the ground for 4. Asalanka being mature and keep. That's nicely played. A soft touch from De Silva. For Charith Asalanka. Amid all the drama here in Delhi, he's kept his head and he gets to 50.
Shakib was actually the bowler as well in the captain.
Nicely lifted. Asalanka gets a boundary. He's looked good in the last couple of overs.
Chantu was the fielder. That's into the gap. Fast outfield, small fence and 4.
Nicely done, helped on its way, 1 bounce and 4. Good partnership this, goes to 5th.
Third 50-run partnership this time between Asalanka and...
Heap on top of that, there are other things in the game that are not so...
Good shot. 1 get there, that's 4. Mahmudullah, the fielder. It's gone aerial. It's gone a long way. Slightly short in length. Test bowler. The batting has been so good. This partnership has been so good.
Yeah, especially under pressure when they lost that.
Oh, second attempt he gets it. Dhananjaya gave it up. The umpires have gone upstairs, but they'll find that the batter is short. In fact, he's walking. The partnership was looking so good. Thikshana has been in some batting form.
That's good bowling. That's really good bowling. Aggressive. Lanka. Great shot. Waited on it, allowed the ball to spin or whatever the... No?
No.
Away from that fielder at mid-wicket. It's a fast outfield and it's a boundary. That's well played once again, finds the gap, fielders in to stop it. That's good fielding. It's a very fast outfield, as mentioned earlier. Shorter in. Gloved it over the keeper's head. Yeah, he's been hurt, but in the process he's hurt Bangladesh as well. Bouncer put away for 6. I think it's gone all the way. Tremendous strike, a needless shorter length. And oh, that is smashed. Really did nail it in the slot, and it went. Uppercut will be collected. Yes, it is. At third. And he's bitterly disappointed because he had timed it reasonably well. It's just that it didn't have the kind of lift off that he would. Chamira is in at number 9. Mushfiq couldn't handle that one. That's gone for 4. Gloving it over the keeper's head. Once again, pace.
He wants to. He's got to keep the strike. We'll have to wait and see what the umpire says.
ODI cricket, 110 versus Australia. Cut. Fielder takes it. Lytton Das there with safe pair of hands. And Asalanka's brilliance comes to an end. Up in the air, Lytton Das is in business again. Takes the catch. Really well done, athleticism and very good pair of hands. Another bouncer, useful. He's playing the short ball. Oh, I think he's gone. Sri Lankans are all out. It's a direct hit from Mushfiq. He's had a terrific time behind the stumps.
Umpire to director, we have an umpire. Because the focus is defending the target. Don't want any distractions. Sri Lanka also haven't caught well. It's an area that they will really have to contribute with to build that extra pressure, because you can't help.
Good evening, Ian Bishop. Aerial, but will go for 4. Sufficient contact to help it go across this.
Brave, instinctive, and one of
Did Matthews. Very unfortunate though.
no one behind, square on the boundary on the leg side, so another 4. 14 runs for 2,500. Tikshana another, and it will be out. That extra cover, that fielder takes a simple catch. Another wicket in the power play for Dilshan Marushanka in the World Cup. In Shanto, who's also been struggling for form. Very good from Marushanka again.
Asalanka reckons there was a noise. He's looking for support.
Dropped it, he got there, dropped it. Kusal Pereira runs for Shanto, gifted and accepted. Bowled out in 49.3 overs. Charit Asalanka, who captained Sri Lanka's under-19 in that 20.
Banged away beautifully.
Terrific use of the feet from Lytton Das, but he's still cramping up. As he hit that, he hobbled back behind the crease.
And that he collected those 138.
Oh, yes. Gone. Brilliant piece of bowling. It's right up there. And he was late on it. Talking about DR loss of 2, and I'm sure you'll hear just a little bit more chirp from the Sri Lankan. There was the bouncer, and here's the pull shot. not entirely of the middle of the bat, but will get a 4. Advancing for Bangladesh versus Sri Lanka. It's Sri Lanka all the way. Full shot, 6. Magnificently done. Let's hit the upper tier. That's how you respond. He was waiting for that length. Upish gets it past point 4, 6 and a 4. His innings is now in proper motion.
Deliveries. Required run rate is 5. Good fielding. More of that is what the captain will want.
More shot. Wow. You pitch it up and I'll pump you down.
He's got that away. And it will be 4 runs. That's cracked away through the offside this time. Back-to-back 4s for Shakib. And it's a good partnership between Shanto and Shakib. That's crunched away for 4. And that brings...
Here of 30. Oh, that's a brilliant shot. One of the best shots we've seen today. Pull followed by another glorious straight drive. It's the ultimate statement from a batter against a fast 5, not 4, 5. Started off, I think, at number... Bit of swing. It gets the outside edge. 4 more. It's found the gap. It's found the gap. This is a good partnership. Both batters at the moment looking. What a shot. What a way to get to 50. Seems like a very natural puller. How... Another one. The ball doesn't stop here. That's why you've got to have wickets in hand in a run chase in India. Extremely proactive Shakib. That experience talking there. You watch the trigger movement.
A good stop. It was hit hard down the ground. And Shakib picks up the single. Thick edge, and that takes Shakib Al Hasan to 50. 56 ODI. 50.
This might run away for 4. Although there is plenty of...
Brilliantly played by Shakib. Russell has spoken about his time. Got that through, and yet another boundary to Bangladesh. Add to this, Sri Lanka have won all 3. That's lifted away, and that will be 4. And Shakib is seeing the ball well and is punishing the bowlers. Hammered away through mid-wicket. So good to see Shanto in this kind of form. Outstanding. Absolutely outstanding from Shakib. A wonderful pick-up for 6. Now down the ground. A wonderful range being shown here by Shakib. A pick-up.
Required and separation occurring.
One's just held in the surface. And as you would have it, it's Matthews in the attack.
Run scorer for Bangladesh so far in this ICC Men's World Cup. Coming. Stumps lighting up. Angelo Matthews will feel that there's some retribution left for him, and destiny is calling. Mushfiqur Rahim very experienced, very skillful. It's a very typical shot from Mushfiqur. Strides in. Just over. I think Chamera ran in just a little. Yeah, really close to Jarat Asalanka at mid-wicket.
Banged away. Mamadullah with wonderful timing. Been in.
Does not matter for Mohammad Mamadullah. Bangladesh.
Got him. Madhushankar delivers. That came back with the angle. Mushfiqur looking to work it towards third man. He's cleaned up.
31 from 74 balls, and good situation to come in and bat.
40 more.
Ball in, yorked in. Brilliant from Sri Lanka. They're making a terrific comeback here. Striking big. Mahmudullah was threatening them.
He's been tried at the top of the order at number 3.
Oh, that's brilliant. That is some shot. Ridoy clubbing it for 6. And no. 11 needed from 60 balls. There's a fielder there. And Angelo Matthews, goes fine, goes for 4. Bangladesh are over the line. Highest successful chase versus Sri Lanka in ODIs.